As your team's technical customer contact, this video covers the importance of providing and confirming your order's technical details. Shortly after ordering from Lumen, you will receive an email asking you to confirm the technical details of your order. In the email, there will be a button to a Lumen website. Once there, it will indicate where your attention is needed. Click the Take Action button. Then, look for the Needs Action icon. Click the Edit button to provide and confirm the technical details of your order. This may include the IP address and routing information. Use the Information icon to view more details or use our Click to Chat. Make sure to confirm this information within the designated time frame. If changes to your order are required at a later time, they can complicate the delivery process, causing delays and leading to additional costs. Inform all of your team members that this information has been confirmed. Lumen will send you another email when the configurations are complete. Make sure to confirm these details. Visit our delivery support library to view short, helpful videos and other information to maximize your service delivery experience. These keys to success will help you every step of the way. Thank you for partnering with Lumen.